Demolition Derby, guys. Yay! This is what I'm going to be doing tomorrow, but the racing one, and you can be recorded on that too. Alright, let's get ready to start. There's a raffle derby card that I wish I could get. But I'm broke, we all know this.
Yeah, the seatbelt has been getting, so now we're good. So without further delay, Universal
Hold, you record.
This gentleman got hit so hard his bumper's into the top. So we're going to put his helmet back on his head.
His helmet got knocked off. He must have hit so hard.
Holy shit! Woo! That's why you gotta clip your helmet, buddy.
Got a full case too.
We will just go to the 4 o'clock and we will release them. So hot heat coming your way. Green, 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 here we go.
Green, let's go! His axle is broken, I believe. On the other side. Yeah.
Dragging on his back.
Bumper.
That one almost flipped over.
Whoa, guys. One thing that will give you points in this is if you full send it at the beginning, they'll stop and pull you out as a good run. And then you go to the finales.
Up and smooth.
So the 2020 is going to go out in fourth. We're down to 3.
Okay, so maybe there was four.
We are down to 3 to 57. The 524, which is right here, is flat one in front of me. We can go, Tom. These are your final 3. Just there with the finish. There's 4 right at the top and a bigger trophy. When you want the bigger trophy, you put it to mouth.
Yeah, he's front wheel drive. This guy's stuck. His tire fell off the rim. Yeah, I think they need some insurance. If they're 4-wheel drive, that would have been a lot better. Because either way, if you had your one broken, you still could go. There's a spark.
And once again, security is told everybody up by the fence line needs to back up into the stand somewhere. Security will come by and help you with that. Everybody by the fence line needs to go find a seat so everybody can see. That's not close to the arena.
He has no steering on this side.
Believe it or not, we still have the seat too. There we go.
Come on. Just metal clinking onto the plastic. That's why we bring spare tires.
Well, Tampa's on the clock. It's not evasion, it's about hitting. He's just sitting there, he's evading. The clock is going.
Come on.
Tampa
Throwing
is on the
fucking
ground.
rubber everywhere.
They're all my buddies, so I can't vote
The way to go down that first spot, 57 Joe Thompson in the 48th second. The second jump ball, 24 in the last hit, so he will get the win.
Basically, every derby person's a friend. Everybody does their... Oh, his hole. His hole. No wonder why he's gonna move. No. We Huh? Could play poles? Probably not. The play pole, I had to finish working on them because I gotta do my few things, and then we gotta bring them here, and then I have to switch the tires. Dad already knows what happens tomorrow morning. Yes, he already knows what goes on because he always takes it. See, I told you, they're saving it. Yeah, Dad always takes me to play poles. Guys, it's raining. He's probably gonna go switch his tire. That's why he always brings spare tires. Otherwise, you're screwed. You always gotta have your spare. Come on.
But look at the radar, it was spotty all over the place. It's not going to rain all day. It's going to rain here and there and over. What's coming up next? I guess you want to know. Once again, nobody up near that fence line during the show. And also, no smoking or maybe the rain. Street Stock Compact is going to be up next. Basically, the Street Stock Compact is very similar to what you just saw, except we allow them to have some extra tractor tires. They're allowed to load the bumpers on and get a little bit more stuff there. So that class is next. But Freedom comes here at another ruthless. You're right, Jacob Johnson in the number 11. Cole Johnson from Rochester, the 711. Jake Simmons in the 66 from Freedom. From Newcastle, Ryan Simmons in the number 3. And Martin from Avon Moore. Salem Rutherford in the 74X.
Drake.
50-50!
What? Oh, hi! Our favorite boat driver.
So that is coming up next. Street Stock Compact.
I didn't know she was going to be here. I didn't know you were going to be here.
Hey, how much?
Over $800. So over $800 the take home amount in 50/50 as of about 15 minutes ago. So as they walk around selling that, you might want to
How many would you like here?
or 20 raffle ticket on the concert tomorrow. Tomorrow in the grandstand, Johnny Bowles, Delaware, Big Rig. We're probably going to have like 3 events in pieces.
There's your tickets there. Thank you very much.
We'll make the track longer on each end. There's big giant caterpillar headers out there that can do a double figure eight swirl. But it ain't quite to put it together. That's what we're doing hard. So we'll be here for that. Always fun.
That raining.
You gonna melt?
Yes.
Yeah.
Go cry me a river.
She's on the clock right now. Tears are flying right now.
Tell her so am I.
Oh yeah, it's Sunday.
Are they gonna do the same thing tomorrow?
Come in here, there.
Looks like James and Mel and Connor are still out there. James and Mel are still out there.
Yeah, I didn't do anything. It's actually cute. I got even with him and rolled his hair.
Mom. That's up there. The red.
You're not gonna know.
Well, hey, here's the 50/50 guy right here. As I said, we got it approaching 100,000. So with $800 for he's down here in front if you want an opportunity for that. They're up there in the upper styles too. So get them up there, down here, wherever you want to get them. 50% of that will be drawn probably somewhere to the third event tonight. And one of you can go home with some extra cash. So, DD Auto Salvage, thank you much, appreciate it. Appreciate you making fine work of it.
You want to come with me? I'm going to get it in the
Good time will be had by all. That's courtesy of Sam Dybel.
It is all going to the 4-Hers.
Actually, his wife doesn't do anything.
Thank you so much.
But whatever. All right. Streets.com. You ready for some more? Ready for some more? Let's do some more. Streets.com. Fire
$10
them up.
an hour already.
Nope, the 7-Eleven is in first. Cole Johnson, number 66. Jake Simmons is second. Colin Scherer in this room with Mr. Scherer in the house. Jacob Johnson, number 11.
We were just babbling about the derby cars, and she has to figure out who she's rooting for. You know, I told her I can't root for no one. They're all my buddies. I'm screwed either way I go. I just wish I had a derby car so I could join them.
What's up with the tiny tires?
Tiny cars? That's in case they don't have any other tires. They'll literally grab, Mom, they'll grab go-kart tires. Freaking go-kart tires. Do you not know how small that is?
That's it. We got all 6.
We had someone use a wooden tire to get rid of this. They got first place. That's fucking nuts. Oh. It's supposed to be kid-friendly video. No longer kid-friendly. 4, 3, 2, 1, go! Probably. Oh, that sucks. I wish I could get that orange and blue car. I wish. Sorry guys,